Welcome back to the YouTube channel, guys. Today, we have some things to do. All right, motor's back in the car. Now all you gotta do is put all the other crap on, and then we're gonna be good to go. So as I already said, we're gonna be using the 8474 turbo. As you can see here, we have it mounted up, it's all ready to go. I just need to plumb a few lines, including the drain, water in, oil in, water out, so on and so forth, to get that all set up and ready to go. So one of the things that's really interesting is we have our Vibrant Performance lines. We actually have a dash 12 in the engine bay, and we're gonna be running dash 16 from the firewall all the way to the tank with some hardline mixed in. I actually picked up a piece from Pegasus that's a dash 16 male to dash 12 male. This makes it so that we can easily hook through the firewall and eliminate the use of multiple connectors. A lot of guys would just use a dash 16 through, and then you use another fitting to taper it down to 12, and then you have to use another fitting to attach to that. I want to eliminate as many connections as possible because, as we all understand, the least amount of connections is the best amount of connections, because that means there's less that will fail or can fail. So here's the Vibrant Performance line that we're actually going to be using. As you can see, it's big and beefy. This is the dash 16. We have some dash 10 and some dash 8 as well. The dash 8 and dash 10 are going to be used to basically take our valve covers and drain to our pan. We're going to use a Y fitting provided by Vibrant Performance as well, and that's going to Y it together into the pan, which is going to allow the actual heads to drain during these high G turns that we're doing. So another thing to note is on the dash 16 that we're going to be using, this is going to be coming from the tank, which is going to sit about the B pillar and be going to the firewall. We're also going to be using the inner support spring. This inner support spring makes it so the line itself cannot collapse. So everybody that's out there that's been saying, oh, your lines are probably collapsing, the lines are probably collapsing, this makes it so it can't. So now we don't have to worry about it. And then on top of that, we're also going to be using some hard line in that same route to make it so you cannot collapse metal hard line under this suction. So that's our plan. What? You got more, right?